Do you know you can claim free 100 USD trading fee simply by creating an account with Binance using referral link? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sheyi Dairo. In today's video, I want to show you how to create Binance account and claim your 100 USD trading fee credits. Step number 1 is to make use of referral link or affiliate link to Binance account. Check the pinned comment or description to this video. You will see my link there. Using this link to sign up will help you to claim $100 free credits. When you click on the link, it will take you to this homepage interface. But if your IP is restricted, it may not show this way. It may not even appear. What will you do? Open a new tab and search for VPN extensions. These are different VPN you can use. As for me, I am using ZenMeet, which is this second one. Click on it. Now here you will see add to Chrome instead of remove from Chrome. So click on add to Chrome. Then when finally added to your Chrome, you will see it here like this. This is it. So you can click on it. Just like what you are seeing here now, I have turned off my VPN. Let me refresh. You will see that this site will not be accessible. Now you can see it says this site can't be reached. So I will turn on my VPN now. Now I will select Germany. There are many countries here, but for Binance, I prefer using Germany. If you use some countries, it may not be successful, but using Germany worked perfectly for me. To turn it on or off, you have to click on this center. Now you see that it's reading. Oh, you see automatically it has loaded for me when I turn on the VPN. So let's move on. Next thing to do is to click on this get started button. Now from here, you either use your email or phone number. And when you put your phone number, exclude your country code. Option number 2 is to click on this continue with Google or continue with Apple or continue with Telegram to make it easy for you. If you have your Gmail account signed in already on your Chrome, you can easily click on continue with Google. Now click on your email, then click on continue, privacy and terms. Click here, then click on next button. Welcome on board. Do you have an inviter? Now automatically, because you click on my link, it will put my referral code here. Just leave it like that. Where it's saying referral ID is disabled or invalid due to local regulations, please remove it or enter another one. I don't know why it's bringing this. I want to put my referral code here, referral ID. I will paste it here and I will put it on the screen for you so that if you are seeing something like this, please, or in this pinned comment, I will also include my referral ID there. So now click on next, then click on next. So when you get to this place like this, then you have signed up successfully. The next thing is to go to your phone. You can go to Play Store or Apple Store, then search for Binance. So install the app on your phone. Why we want to do this is just to verify our Binance account. You can use your PC also to verify your account, but most times it is more comfortable if you verify using your mobile app. So when you click on the app, it will show this. Don't worry, you can select any of these options. Either I'm new to crypto or I'm familiar with crypto. So let me put myself in your shoes. I may select I'm new to crypto. Don't forget, we just want to log in because we have already signed up for Binance using our browser. Then you click on login. Since the option we selected when signing up is to use Google account to log in, then I don't need to put my email here again. I will only click on this continue with Google, then select your email account. Now if you have this challenge just like what is showing on my screen, what you will do is to go and install VPN on your phone. Simply go to Play Store and search for VPN. You can use any VPN. For this video, I'm going to make use of Windscribe. I have it already on my phone, so I will just tap on open. Then let me close it here. Now I will look for Germany. Okay, this is Germany. I will click on Germany. Then I will select the one that is free. I think this one is free. It does not have something like this, so I will select it. Oh great, now it's turned on. If you see this key icon on your phone, that indicates that it has turned on. So let's go back to Binance. Then I will click on continue with Google. Oh good, Now it's giving me an option to verify my account. So I will click on verify now. Let's get you verified. Select your residency and follow the steps. You know, my IP indicate Germany. That is why you have to see Germany here. So I will click here to change it to my country. If you are from Nigeria here now, you can select here and search for your country name, then select it. Now click on continue. Personal information. So here now, let's see option given us to verify our account. Option 1 is BVN. So let me click on this place. You see, so we have, so it's either you use BVN or NIN. If you are from Nigeria, you should have any of these. You can use any of these to verify your account. Just select it, then type the number there. So when typed, I'm just putting random number here because I have already used my own for my account. I'm just using this to train you guys. So now click on continue. So it's telling me that the BVN number I use is invalid. So which means I cannot continue from here. But trust me, I think after this one, they may want to do facial verification. Probably you put your phone or something like that, and that's all. So let me close it. So the next thing you have to do is to deposit at least 50 US dollars here. Deposit at least 50 US dollars to your account. That will help you to claim free 100 US dollar as promised. I think you all saw it at the beginning of this video. How will you do that? Click on this portfolio, then click on deposit, then select USDT, then select any of this network. If you want to know very well about how to transfer crypto from one exchange to another, I'll put the video here for you to go and watch. So I will select maybe TRC20. Please verify your account before getting deposit address. So it's very important to verify account. So what I will do now, I will continue with my personal Binance account to show you how to fund your Binance account. Now, using my own account now, this is the home page using the app to access Binance. Now click on assets. This is assets. Click on assets. Then click on deposit. Now select the coin. I will select USDT. I have full tutorial on how to do this, because if you don't master this very well, your money might lost and you may not be able to recover it. Special video on how to do this. The link is here. Go and watch it, or I'll put it in the pinned comment and description to this video. Go and watch it later. Another method is to make use of P2P. Simply click on this more, then you can see P2P here. This is it. Just click it. So here you can select no, I'm new to P2P, or yes, I have P2P experience. So you can select any of this. So here now, I will come here now to change this to my currency as Nigerian. It has been removed for long, but I want to check if it has been restored. Now I will search for Nigeria, NIG, NGN. It's not there. So you can select, I have changed it to USD. I have changed it to USD, or you can look for your own local currency here. Then when you put it there, your own local currency, then you can continue with this. Next one is to select this amount. Click on this amount, then put like what amount of USDT you want to buy. Let's say 100. Click on confirm. So they will give you the eligible people. Now they will give you the eligible people that can sell within that your range. Next one is to select this payment, then select the payment. Then any other settings you can check. But if your own country is not here, that means you cannot make use of P2P. You can only make use of the first one I showed you just by clicking deposit directly. And I have given you special video to go and watch it. I'll put in the pinned comments and description to this video to go and watch video on that. Don't forget this. Claim your 100 USD trading fee credit. You are just steps away from receiving your reward. Step number 1, create your account, which we have done it. Deposit more than $50 within 14 days after registration. So it's left to you now. Receive 100 USD trading fee rebate voucher each. So how will you now get your money? If you want to claim it, just come to this place. You see where I put it here, this woman avatar stuff. Now come down, you will see rewards hub. Now click on it. So this is where you will see your reward. You see now voucher or things like that. So this is where you will see get rewards. These are the places you see your rewards. You see it around here. Then you can claim it. Just click to claim. That is just so simple. You have your 100 USDT free. But if you are using your mobile app and you want to check your rewards, just to claim your 100 free USDT, just come here, click on this. Yes, then you will see it here. This is rewards hub. Now click on it. Now are you seeing it now? Is it not the same? Is it not the same? So this is where you will see it, then claim your money. Then alternatively, you can see it here. In the home page like this, you can see it here. If you don't see it here, you can click on this more, then search for it here, this one. Now type rewards hub. Now this is it. Just click on it. That's all. If you are very new to my YouTube channel and you want more valuable contents like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel now. Give me a like on this video and turn up the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I release new videos. If you have questions, drop it for me in the comment section. This is the next video I want you to go and watch on how to transfer crypto from one exchange to another without you losing your money. I love you guys. See you guys in my next videos.